Hey everybody, I'm back with another Cash App video. So today I wanted to show you guys how things were looking after we had that tragedy last week. What day was that? Friday. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, now you know that for the weekend, the stock market is usually closed as far as like trading and things like that. And then because Monday was President's Day, I personally learned, because like I said, this is my first time really dipping and diving into all these things, that they have real holidays. So they were closed as well. So you couldn't see yourself bounce back or anything like that for President's Day. So today's the first day that we're really open, and this is what my day looks like. So as you can see, we did get a little bit higher. We got a little bit of a gain. All right. So that's always positive. This is how we started out, pretty not all that good. We started at 306 and now we're up to 311. So we did gain today, as you see. So that's awesome to know. We have a total gain of $36.23. I mean, every single penny to me counts. That's just how it is. Tilray is coming back, y'all. See, I told y'all I was going to hold it, and I knew something good was going to come of it. Like, I wasn't going to rip out all of my money, and then when it comes back, I'll be like, dang, I should have kept it. So, you know, there's certain things that I'm holding, and Tilray is definitely one of those things. I mean, I personally haven't invested as much as some people have invested, thousands and hundreds of thousands, depending on your pay scale. But, you know, I invested a little some. I got my one little share. I am thinking of putting a little more in there. And I definitely should have thought about that last week when it was like doing badly, because, you know, when it dips, that's when you're supposed to add more money because you're getting it at a lower cost. And then obviously what goes down, well, do they say that? What goes down comes up? No, they probably don't say that. I probably just made that up. But y'all get the point. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say. So about 1 o'clock is when we really started seeing them numbers start popping, poppity pop, you know, coming back, making a comeback. And, you know, we fell a little bit, but it's still in a decent level compared to how it was, you know, we had dropped. So we're not in a bad state right now. I do definitely feel like they're going to come back. Look, it's saying that to profit from a planned merger of Tilray and Euphoria. So, you know, that's something to look forward to. You know, when you see them in headlines, especially when it's positive headlines, it's usually something good that is going to come of it. So, yeah, right now we are making a comeback. We've gained $25.50, and I'm pretty sure we are going to do even more. Kronos Group, remember they had fell so drastically last week? Like, look at that. Look at that. Now we are back up and rising. I've gained $3.27. So yes, we are back up. Once down in the weeds, cash-strapped pot producers raise billions, blah, blah, blah. So Tesla, you know, they're always doing good for the most part. I mean, even when they drop, they bounce right back. It does look like they had a little bit of a decline today, but I'm sure they're going to come back. I mean, I'm not super invested in them, but I know a lot of people that are. So this is another one. Right now we're mainly focusing on the cannabis stocks. So as you see here, it came back up, y'all. It came back up. Aurora Cannabis has come back. So I got my little $2.27. So we're steadily rising, y'all. I do project we are gonna come back. You know, look at that big loss that we had last week, you know, but now we are on the rise. Neo is still doing pretty good, so I'm excited about that. I remember first days I was just biting my nails like, did I just waste 50 something dollars on this damn stock? But I'm excited right now. You know, it's doing pretty good. Moderna, you know, it looks like it did fall a little bit, I guess, over the course of the week, but I mean, it's at a decent pace right now. So these are some of the other ones that I have, but y'all, even though, like y'all see here, Tilray, Kronos Group, and Aurora are back on track, or they're steadily coming back on track, guess what? One of them has not come back, y'all. I still have some that are going the wrong direction. Virgin Galactic, it looks like they postponed some space stuff that they had planned, and so they had delays. So I guess that kind of affected them. So I mean, I'm not down too much, so I'm not boo-hoo crying about it. But Plug Power is another one. I lost 7 cents so far. I mean, I only invested $1, so I'm not crying about it, y'all. It's okay. But Nokia is still doing bad. Like, I'm like, if it goes up and I'm able to catch it while it goes up a little bit more. Look, it was up this morning. Damn, I wish I had caught it, but honestly, I don't even think I was awake at that time. But that would have been the best time to like kind of take my money out when I would have not lost anything. That's the best time, because I'm kind of done with Nokia, to be honest with y'all. Hanes brand, this one was on a whim, and it's not doing too well. I lost $1.10. Definitely not excited about that. Last thing is Canopy Group. Okay, like I said, most of my weed stocks are doing well, but there's always that naughty little person in the group that doesn't want to comply and follow everybody else's lead, that just wants to be a little renegade or outcast. And that right now is Canopy Growth. Okay, they are not doing what they're supposed to be doing right now. They're supposed to be bouncing back like the rest of them, and this one is not doing it. And this one is a cannabis, group as well. And they were at, I think my loss was like at almost $12 last week at some point. Let me see. I think that it was, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it was at some point last week at about $12. But like right now, it's still kind of pissing me the hell off. Like, they need to come back like all the rest of them and keep going strong. But I'll let y'all know how that one goes. And these are the other ones that I've been following, as I show you guys usually. I haven't added any. These are just the ones that I've been looking at. And this is the one I had before. Yes. And, I mean, some of them are still sucky. I'm happy I got out of the flowers one. Yeah, a lot of people have Square stock, which is Cashapp. And it's been steadily rising. Right now, it's at $276.02. So I wouldn't even get a full stock, to be honest with you guys, because I don't want to risk that much money at the moment until I really get the hang. Then maybe I could think about some big bucks. But right now, nah, I'm not with it. But these are some of the most traded ones. I hear a lot of people talking about PayPal, Square, and then, Amazon, Apple. And these are some that were the biggest movers. And luckily this time, Tilray and Aurora are both in the up direction, as opposed to last week. They were both the biggest daily movers to be the suckiest ones. So we're making some movements, making some progress. Novavax, I guess they're going down a little bit. Did I even have them? No, I don't have them, but I was looking at them. And iRobot, I actually want an iRobot eventually. I think I'm gonna get one. See, Virgin Galactic is a huge loss right now. Well, not huge, but it is a loss. Kronos Group, they're on the rise. So all the weed ones, except for freaking growth, Canopy Growth, are in the right direction. So that's my stock update for today. Let me know what you guys think down below. How's your stocks doing? And I look forward to chatting with you guys again. Thanks for, giving me motivation and your little comments and stuff like that. It definitely, it kind of motivates me to do more. That's why I got them coming, y'all. Keep them coming.